Tired of dealing with dry, brittle hair and that stubborn green tint from pool water? If you're a swimmer, you know how hard water and chlorine can strip your hair's natural softness and shine. But what if there was a shampoo that not only cleanses gently but also protects your hair from damage and dryness? This ultra-mild formula does exactly that. It's crafted to defend your hair's integrity while leaving it soft and glossy. I started using this shampoo after noticing my hair felt rough and looked dull from constant swimming. Unlike harsh cleansers that strip away moisture, this one uses vegan wellness ingredients and antioxidants to hydrate and purify without drying out your scalp. It even targets copper buildup, the culprit behind that infamous swimmer's green hair. The difference was clear. My hair felt smoother, looked healthier, and kept its natural color. Plus, it's preservative-free, so you can safely use it every day without worry. One unexpected bonus? It works great on facial hair, too. A friend with a long, white beard shared how this shampoo stopped his beard from turning green and restored its softness. The fresh scent was an added perk. For best results, pair it with the swimmer's wellness remedy and miracle repair treatments weekly to maintain hydration and repair any damage. If you're ready to protect your hair from pool damage and bring back its shine, this shampoo is worth a look. If that's you, someone who swims regularly and wants to keep hair healthy and vibrant, this gentle, hydrating shampoo offers what you need. It prevents dryness, purifies buildup, and boosts manageability with every wash. Try it when you're ready to say goodbye to brittle, green-tinted hair and hello to soft, shiny locks that stand up to hard water and chlorine.